Hi, my name is Jade, and today I'm going to be reading Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mom says. The tooth fairy will come. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It's the tooth fairy. I'm very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great. She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Visit these cool kids, says the tooth fairy. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on the list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look, alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it is very sharp. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for alligator. Gus the platypus is next on the list. Uh-oh. Where is the tooth? The tooth is not here. The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is Gus's lost tooth? The lost tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? No. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where is your tooth, Gus? Pete asks. Platypuses do not have teeth, says Gus. But I still want to be a part of the tooth fairy fun. No worries, says Pete. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the tooth fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is always cool. The end.